I can actually follow any order. I can follow the order of having to kind of like put my resource files first. So any order I follow, it's not really an issue, but maybe I should just try to follow a descending order. The last one I actually copied was actually Google services.json file. So what I will just do, this is actually the Google services.json file. So it wasn't downloaded the other time. So let me just try to show how it is. So you just go to your Slack. A particular organization must have been assigned to you. So all you just need to do is just to go to your Slack. This is actually what was being sent to you. What you just need to do is just to download this. So I download it. So by the time I'm downloading this, this is it now. So I'm just going to make it. So it's going to be putting _6 on it, because the last one I actually downloaded was _5. So you can't copy this directly. So what you just need to do is just to copy it from this end. So I'm currently app profiling this now. So I move on to this. That's my new app now. So I just need to navigate to this particular point. So we're done with having to back up Livicon. So move on to Jinbroview. Now I just try to I just try to follow the same order for this. First thing first was to actually create a particular folder which is called profile. Inside my profile, I'll call it res file. Now inside my res file, I will create another folder called drawable. So drawable, definitely. Now, so this is where I actually put all my drawables. So I actually just try to kind of like highlight this and I move it into this particular element. So I just try to click on this so that this will not be highlighted with it. And I move it into profile. When I get into profile, to show me resource, I move into resource. When I get into resource, so I just try to drop it here. So you see the tree diagram now, from profile to resource, from resource to drawable. Then the next thing I want to do, my google.json file, which wasn't downloaded here, I try to kind of like show in folder, and I try to copy it. Now having to copy it, I just come in here to actually kind of, okay, so I come in here. So it should be under my profile. So this is my profile now. It should be under my profile. I should just try to paste it here. So this is actually my google.json file. Paste item, I pasted it. Then I have to rename this. Rename, because I have to remove that 6. So just remove it. So then now the next thing is to kind of like copy this. I copy, and I come to my having to make it be on project. So under app, I'll just try to paste it there. So I just say okay, paste. So if you tell me do I want to replace that is refactor, I'll tell it yes. So I will overwrite, so it changes it. So, and this is what it looks like now. Just to confirm that app I'm currently working on is already listed, that is the person that actually provisioned it to include. I'll just try to type the name of the app, Ctrl F, then I say with Jinbroview. So as I'm typing, it's definitely shows. So since I've actually seen it, that means I copied the correct file there. But peradventure you don't see it, you refer back to the person that actually sent you this. That's okay. What person sent to you has an issue, so you have to resolve it by having to. So it must just be that's actually having to test it. That's the first thing I've actually done. Now, then I move on to my build.gradle file. This particular entity here, I copy it out. Ctrl C. Then I come in here to my build.gradle file. I can just try to navigate back to Android now. So the second build.gradle, I click on it. Now this particular element here, I'll just have to change it to what I copied there. Instead of any page, so I'll just paste it here. So this is just it now. So it will demand me to sync. This sync wasn't showing before, now if I should Ctrl Z it won't show again. But having to change is that it's there to sync, but I don't want to sync for now. Now the next thing I want to do, because I will definitely have to sync. Now the next thing I want to do is to kind of like navigate to strings. Now I'll change this particular entity, which is actually called Livicon. I'll change it to Jinbroview. Okay. Now I'll copy this Jinbroview. It's actually double L definitely. I'll just try to kind of like copy this element here. Copy. Then I go to unique. So I go to my Java file. Then I move on to unique. Yes. So I go on to model. And I go to unique. Under this unique, I'll change. So I've already changed it for now. Well, so I changed it for now. Now the next thing I'm now going to do, having done all that, is to kind of like go to my colors. So I'm going to be changing some things here. Go to my colors, then you can see the colors that they're actually green. So I just need to change the first 5 colors here by having to come here. I come in here because the color theme is such a way that it actually conforms to it being this particular entity. So I can just try to draw a box. Come in, I draw a box. It might be any shape actually, but the essence is just to make sure that I draw another one here. So I need basically 3 of it. So these 3 colors are going to be what are the things that are going to constitute my color theme. So I come in. So the first one, I'm actually make it have this particular color here, which I just pick my color picker. Then I come here, so I can just select this particular color here, which is actually this here. I select this particular color here. The next one, which is this, I can just select this particular one here. Then the third one, I want to select something like this, which is this color here. This color here. It's actually still on the logo. So depending on what I want. So sometimes I'm actually pick all these colors and I feel like, okay, I want something more colorful and all that, but that will still be the same color shade as this. That's when I'm actually testing my app, and that's why let me say APK testing is very much essential, so that you know what the app is going to look like. So you have to do model manifest check, dashboard check, UI. So these are the codes you have to actually do on this term. Now, so I just try to copy this color code here. I copy it out, then I come to my Android Studio. So mind you, you must have actually backed up these colors before now for the prior app, the app that was actually there before. So you might need to confirm if you really backed it up, so that you don't change it and you now start having issues having something. So when I go to profile and I go to my resource, so I must just ensure that it's actually, so it is there. That's actually my colors and strings. So let me just go back to my Android Studio. So this first one I've actually copied. Most likely it is this one. So I just try to paste it here. So that's actually, so I come here, you change this particular entity here. Now I'm going to navigate straight away to, so I'm going to be needing this guy. So I'm going to check the color, the RGB equivalence. So let me just try to see if I can actually copy. So let me see. Okay, yeah, so I have this 245.180.96. 245.180.96. I come to MN. There's a guy called MN. 245. So I just actually 245. Sorry, let me just record that. 245.180.96. 180.